12 secret tactics to stop car theft. In 1 second, every 40 seconds, a car is stolen somewhere in the world. And guess what? Most thieves don't need to break a window or hotwire anything. With just a laptop or a signal booster, your car could be gone before you even realize it. But what if you could stop them instantly, with simple tricks they hate? From fake tire clamps to secret kill switches, these 12 tactics could make your car practically theft-proof. Stick around. Your car's safety might depend on it. Trick number 1. Lock your steering wheel with a bar. It might not look fancy or high-tech, but a steering wheel lock is one of the most effective ways to stop a car thief fast. Here's why. When a thief sees that big metal bar across your steering wheel, they know it's going to take time, noise, and tools to get past it. And time is the one thing they don't have. Most car thefts happen in under 60 seconds. A steering wheel lock instantly adds several minutes to that timeline, and that's enough to make them walk away. Even professional thieves will skip your car and go for an easier target. Plus, it's super affordable. You can pick one up for around $30. And unlike fancy electronics, it doesn't rely on batteries or Wi-Fi. It just works. Think of it as a big, shiny, no-entry sign for your car. Simple, cheap, and incredibly effective. Trick number 2. Never leave your car running unattended. This might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people make this mistake every single day. You're just running inside to grab a coffee, dropping off a package, or letting your car warm up in the morning, and you leave the engine running. That's all it takes. In less than 10 seconds, someone can jump in, drive off, and your car is gone. Modern car thieves love this trick. No hot wiring, no breaking windows, no hacking key fobs. Just an open door and a running engine. It's the easiest steal of their lives. And even worse, in some places, leaving your car running unattended is illegal and can void your insurance if it gets stolen. So here's the bottom line. If you're not inside the car, the engine should be off. Always. It's the simplest habit that could save you thousands. And a massive headache. Trick number 3. Clamp your tire, or use a fake clamp track sticker. This one's all about visual deterrence. When a thief sees a wheel clamp, real or fake, they instantly think, not worth the hassle. A real clamp physically locks the wheel in place, making it nearly impossible to drive or tow without a fight. But even a fake clamp, or a realistic sticker that looks like a security device, can do the trick. Thieves are looking for easy targets, and a clamped car screams, "I've got extra protection." It tells them you're not careless, and that more hidden security might be waiting inside. The great part? Real clamps cost around $40 to $60, but a fake version or even a DIY sticker can cost just a few bucks and still send the same message. Trick number 4. Turn your wheels when you park. This quick, simple trick adds serious anti-theft value. Turn your front wheels toward the curb or wall when you park. It stops 2 major thefts: tow truck thefts and fast drive-offs. If a thief tries to tow your car, turned wheels make it harder to pull it onto a flatbed, forcing them to waste time and risk getting caught. If they try to drive off, the turned wheels throw off their getaway, possibly hitting a curb or another car. For extra protection, park with the wheels turned uphill and in park if you have front-wheel drive. Trick number 5. Pull the fuel pump fuse. Here's a sneaky but highly effective trick. Pull the fuel pump fuse. The fuel pump powers your engine, so without it your car won't start. By simply removing the fuse, you disable the engine in seconds. Thieves won't know why your car won't start, and they'll likely move on to an easier target. This trick is especially useful in high-risk areas or overnight parking. It's a no-tech, no-fuss solution that's quick to do and even quicker to reverse. A simple fuse pull can make your car almost impossible to steal. Trick number 6. Use a Faraday pouch. If you have keyless entry, you're at risk of a relay attack, where thieves boost your key fob's signal to unlock and start your car. But there's an easy fix: a Faraday pouch. This simple, affordable accessory blocks all wireless signals, including those from your key fob, preventing thieves from accessing your car remotely. Just pop your key fob inside when you're home, and it's completely shielded from signal boosters. Faraday pouches are compact, cheap, and effective, an easy way to prevent theft before it even starts. Trick number 7. Lock your OBD port. Your car's OBD port is a hidden vulnerability. Mechanics use it to read diagnostics, but thieves have discovered they can also use it to reprogram key fobs or disable your car's security system. Fortunately, locking this port is easy and affordable. OBD port locks are simple to install and prevent anyone from plugging in a device without your knowledge. If you're not into gadgets, a basic OBD port cover can do the job. Trick number 8. Install a GPS tracker with geofencing. A GPS tracker is one of the smartest ways to recover a stolen car. Hidden in your vehicle, it lets you track its real-time location. But with geofencing, it gets even better. You set a virtual boundary, like your driveway or workplace, and get instant alerts if your car moves outside that zone. Some trackers also offer live location sharing with police, engine kill features, and trip history. They're discreet, affordable, and easy to install. Trick number 9. Add a hidden kill switch. A hidden kill switch is a powerful anti-theft tool. It cuts off power to your ignition, fuel pump, or starter, so even if a thief breaks in or uses a fake key, the car won't start. The best part? It's hidden, under the seat, in the glove box, or disguised as an ordinary switch. Only you know where it is. It's cheap, easy to install, and can completely shut down a theft attempt. Thieves panic when a car won't start. They don't stick around to troubleshoot. It's stealthy, smart protection that puts control back in your hands. Trick number 10. Close your windows and hide your stuff. It may sound basic, but leaving windows cracked or items in plain sight is a big reason cars get targeted. Even a small gap can let a thief wedge in a tool and unlock your door. And it's not just the window. What's visible inside matters too. A charger, a bag, or even a coat can tempt a thief to smash and grab, thinking there's something valuable. Trick number 11. Park under bright lights. Thieves love darkness. It hides their actions. That's why one of the simplest ways to deter car theft is to park in well-lit areas. Whether it's under a street lamp, near a storefront, or in a bright driveway, light creates the fear of being seen. It also increases the chances of witnesses or cameras catching suspicious behavior. Light won't stop every thief, but it can make them think twice before targeting your car. Trick number 12. Use an alarm sticker. A simple alarm sticker can scare off a thief before they even touch your car. Even if your vehicle doesn't have a real alarm, a sticker that says GPS tracking or protected by alarm system can create just enough doubt to make them walk away. Most thieves don't stick around to investigate. They want fast, easy targets. Add a cheap blinking LED light on the dash for extra effect. It's all about perception. For just a few bucks, you can trick thieves into thinking your car is heavily protected, possibly saving you thousands. If you found these 12 anti-theft tricks helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on keeping your car safe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Got any other car security hacks? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Stay safe, stay smart, and keep your ride protected. See you in the next one.